All right, hey everybody, welcome to Adam Makes Beer. My name's Adam, and today we are going to be looking at jockey boxes. In particular, we're going to be looking at the jockey box from my friends over at Cold Break. If you've been following my stuff for a while, you know I'm a huge fan of what they're doing over there. I've used a lot of different jockey boxes over the years. We've all seen those red and blue plastic ones. They have some very inherent problems with them, with the build, for the longevity of them. And Cold Break has solved a lot of those problems. We're going to be busting into this today. You can see it is neatly branded for Adam Makes Beer everywhere all around it. They can do cool wraps and things like that. So let's start digging into it. So if you're not familiar with the jockey box, the whole idea is that you have a cooler, that you are going to have an external beer source like some kegs, and that you're going to be running beer into the jockey box through the stainless steel coils inside, which are on ice, and then out through the taps here. Okay, so let's start busting into it a little bit, and we can see kind of what all comes with this. First of all, I have a sweet Cold Break sign. You're going to be seeing this in the back of my videos from now on. Love the tin tackers. Instructions, and it has all the gear with it. So you can see right here, we have these little caps. Cold Break branded, baby. We have the little caps that go over the shank that will be sending beer in to this. It comes with two beautiful stainless steel taps. And I am a big believer that stainless steel on your serving rigs makes a big deal. A lot of these come with brass fittings or with chrome covered fittings, and Cold Break stuff does not. There's a ton of metal attached to this stuff, and real stainless that you're going to see. These just screw in. You would want to get a little wrench. They have a particular hook style wrench that goes on this to tighten it up. Honestly, most times I tighten these up by hand, and they're absolutely fine. So we have our taps installed, and then next comes the gas and beverage rigging for this. All right, so the blue line that sharply is on brand for Cold Break is your gas line. And then here are your stainless steel connectors for everything on the service side. One of the things that I like about this is that these are they actually have an elbow on them. So you can attach them. I'm not going to use the gasket right now, but they do have the gaskets right here. You can actually attach this. Maybe I can. You can attach this, and it's not pointing right back out at you. If you don't have this little 90 degree fitting here, these stick further out, and it's a little bit of a pain, so these are nice. So these lines right here would be running to your beer source. Speaking of your beer source, keg coupler. You can also outfit this, back rig this with fittings for soda kegs as well, corny kegs, but this would fit on right here. Boom. Gas assembly going in here, right? And these are nice. Again, they're all stainless steel. There's a lot of chrome stuff, brass stuff, and getting all stainless is really a beautiful thing. So what I'll do is, when I'm getting ready for a festival or for a party or whatever, when I'm going to be serving beer on jockey box, the whole idea with serving beer is that you need it to be cold, and you need to have it at the appropriate pressure. And so what you can do when you're running a jockey box like this is you can keep it at pretty normal serving temperatures, anywhere between 12, sometimes up to 15 psi. Different jockey boxes will serve at different pressures, and it'll actually say in your instruction manual. But the main idea here is that you're going to have your beer. I still do put the keg in a tub with some ice, especially the bottom portion, and up the sides at least halfway, because the bottom portion of the keg is where you're actually drawing beer off of. And then you would couple as normal, and then I would get beer through your tap service station area, because what you don't want to do is, sometimes people get excited, they'll get in here, they'll throw ice in here, and these stainless steel coils, if there's any moisture left in there, you can freeze that and actually block it up. So I like to blow a little bit of foamy beer through and then pack this area with ice. All right. Then really at that point, you're good to roll. We're going to be doing a deeper dive on how to serve all of that, how to clean these. One of the things that I love about this box in particular, first of all, I've been aware of cold break since I was back at Grayline in Michigan. It was the first time I saw one of these Jockey boxes, and I was really used to those plastic ones that get so beat up and blown out. And I saw this one for the first time, and it's absolutely amazing. One of the reasons is this right here. This backing plate stops you from drilling through or boring through the sidewall of the cooler. And then you can also see the stainless coils. I keep saying stainless, stainless, stainless. And the reason is you can actually clean it. All right. So I hope, are you enjoying the mic on the side? But anyways, one other thing is that they do have a sweet little stainless port even going out for the drain. And just overall, they look awesome. Anyways, look forward to seeing more content with how to handle this Jockey box, cleaning, full-on service, all that stuff. Kind of like a detailed build, troubleshoot type video. All right. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. We appreciate it. Check out their stuff. They have a whole wide range of stuff over there at Cold Break. I appreciate you watching.